Okay, an unboxing video. This package has come all the way from the US of A, courtesy of Gale Cunningham, and it's what basically is a birthday present, although it's an early birthday present because well, it's a month too early, but it's a needed now birthday present. So we don't wait till our birthday to open it because it's needed now. So thank you very much, Gale. It's most appreciated, and it's going to enable me to crack on and get more stuff done in one go than I would have been able to do otherwise, and that could be quite important. Right, so this is quite good actually, because this is from Amazon, but bought in the USA and posted to the UK, and that's quite good stuff because Amazon actually used the Royal Mail Post Office parcel service in the UK from the States. That's pretty good going. So I was able to track this using normal Royal Mail tracking once it got here, obviously, once it reached our shores. Right, this is typical Amazon. A great big box with another box inside. I've got some bits of paper lying around in there. I don't like to leave it so. Right. Amazon gift receipt. Right, that explains something. There must be some sort of arrangement whereby people can send gifts to different countries, because this has arrived here and in this country there was no import duty paid, so unless it was paid in the States, it's got in here without paying duties, that's what I was worried about. Right, and a note from Gale: a very happy birthday early from Gale Cunningham. Little note. Thank you, Gale. Big box out the way. Next box. So we've got two unboxings. And hopefully this one lets us get at what's inside. Right. Now this looks like it's one of those that opens at the end. This knife's so sharp it cut through the cardboard rather than the sellotape. Yes, I do keep my hands out of the way of this one. This is Japanese steel, so very, very sharp. And keep our fingers well out of the way. Right, is it a kit? No! Excellent, that means I was expecting to have to put this together, but it looks like it's intact, so no putting together stuff. So in theory we should just be able to open it up. There we go. That is incredibly sturdy, because you have to stop and think about how it's a kneeler basically, and you know, when I've done a bit of work, it's a seat. So we can take a break and have our coffee. But most importantly, it's this way up, it's the kneeler. And like I've always said, getting down there is easy enough, it's getting up again. This is sturdy enough for me to be able to push myself up on these legs without them giving way, and nice soft, not soggy, but soft enough to take the pressure off my knees. And then it's got one of these that goes on there with all your tools in, you know, trowel and secateurs and any other gadgets you might want. Save having them in your pockets, which you wouldn't be able to get out very well because you're kneeling down. So thank you very much, Gale, that's greatly appreciated, and that's going to come into use within the next day or two. I haven't made up my mind how I'm going about the planting yet, but that enables me to crack on without having to worry about doing such small amounts that you could count them as not much done, in which case that leaves more for the next day. And you know, last time I did planting where I was on my knees on that concrete, the next couple of days were not comfortable, which meant I wouldn't have wanted to get anything else done. So this enables me to get work done. So thanks a lot, Gale. Greatly appreciated. And yeah, I can assure you it's going to get used. Now, is it as easy to take down as it was to put up? Is there a knack? Can't work out how to do this. Is there a lever or something? There must be a way to... I think you pull that. Well, this is not easy, because you need two hands. For, oh no, you do it like that, don't you? Come on, silly. There we go. So it's just a grip, basically. You just grip that, squeeze it, and the leg goes down. And it folds up nice and small, so it can hang on a hook in the shed or something like that. You should be looking after that. That's got to last a nice long time. So thanks a lot, Gale. Greatly appreciated, and will be used, I can assure you. There are lots of places where kneeling down needs to be done. Even things like, I know it's possible to plant garden planters up on the table, but they're much easier to plant on the ground, and they're much easier to plant if you get down at the same height of them as them. Doing stuff on the table's all very well, but you've got to lift the planter up there, the pots, the compost, everything ends up having to be lifted up to get it on the table to be able to stand up and work, and then you're bending over and straining your back. So there's lots of things that are better off just done at ground level. So anyway, unboxing number 1. There's more. See you next time.